Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to make video on Snapchat web. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to make video on your Snapchat web, all you gotta do is simply open a web browser of your preference and type in the Snapchat web URL and open it. So once you're in the official site of Snapchat web, you need to simply allow the camera and microphone to get access and record a video snap. So once you have done this, you can simply edit or add text to it and send or save the video. However, if you want to upload it somewhere, you can go to your profile, tap on post to Snapchat option, and once you do this, you will have this kind of interface on your screen. So all you got to do is simply drag and drop or select a file to upload, and this will allow you to make a video uploading on Snapchat web. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.